What's up, bro?
What's up? What's up, YouTube? What's up?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For today's project, I'm gonna be wrapping my fog lights. They're just clear. Actually, they used to be yellow. I wrapped it once, but it started cracking just through like weather conditions and all that. Peeled it off, and so today I'm gonna be redoing it. I wanted it to be yellow. I actually got new fog lights before. They were just halogens, just the stock bulbs. I upgraded them to the H11 fog light bulb, so it's the same as the headlight bulb. I wanted it to make them yellow just so they're not so blinding when I drive on the road, because I'm not saying that they're not gonna blind, because they're pretty bright, but the yellow should tone it down just a little bit. I'm getting my bumper removed right now. So for this car, the fog lights are actually embedded inside of the bumper, so the only way you could take it off is if you remove the bumper. Versus most other cars, you can just take a little screw from the outside and you just pop that light housing out. But for this car, you have to take off the bumper in order to access the fog light housing and all of its components. If I remember correctly, I would just pull this tab out and pull this one out as well. That, and then should be good to go. There you go. What's up, bro?
You doing a fog light?
Yes, sir.
You can't just put a circle.
Nah, because if I wanted to wrap it all around, I have to actually take it off. Yeah, it's gonna suck.
And you in the sunlight. God.
Yeah. Maybe I should move my car, huh? Hello, bro. Why are you wearing a sweater, bro? It's hot.
No, never hot.
It's hot as fuck.
Attitude? Yeah, bro, I'm attitude.
Yeah, and he dyed his hair again.
Yeah, I had to go back to black.
So I took out the fog lights. One of them's super dirty inside. You guys see that? All that dirt water. Somehow water is getting in. So I'm planning to just reseal it just to make sure that no more condensation gets in there. I can't find where it's leaking, but I'm just gonna try to reseal the whole thing just to make sure. But this one's super dirty, so we're gonna clean that one out. This one's not as bad, but I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse out the inside, just rinse inside and outside. There's no wires or electricals on the housing part, so we're good. I don't have to worry about it getting wet. Start with the super dirty one. Throw some water in there. Alright, so I got it all cleaned off and all wiped down. So you guys see like all these little marks and like chippings and stuff. So I'm gonna try to go over it with the rubbing compound to see if it takes some of it off. Hopefully it'll make the lens more clear. Like there's a big rock chip right here. Hopefully that will kind of just buff it down. We shall see. If you guys saw my last video, you guys know that this is what I use. You guys can use this for your paint and all that stuff too. Got finished with the buffing all this, and Jesus fucking Christ. We're using Vivid again. Vivid's a good brand, so we got some yellow tint from Vivid. That's just gonna slap right on top. All done, you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like yellow? Do you guys think it's ricer? I don't know. I feel like if you do yellow right, I think it's good, but I guess in a way you can make it ricer. I don't know. You guys let me know. Turned out really nice. So let's throw them back onto the car and throw all the bumpers back on and all the pieces, and then we're good to go. We just got to the meet, but there's too many people here, so I think we might be done because there's way too many people. We took like maybe like 5 circles before we decided to just go out there, just park somewhere. We parked in like a neighborhood. There's way too many people here when we got here, so we decided to walk from that neighborhood and walk over here. Oh shit, the 5-0 here. No, free my guy. Hey, that's my boy. Oh. Type bars are sick. I don't care what anybody says. Hey bro, that's Mater. Oh, it's dope as fuck. Mater.
Drop my big.
Oh shit, you good, bro?
Cars to that.
You good? Oh, you good.
We good.
You good. Alright guys, let's get some cinematics of boys' cars real quick, and then we'll go walk around and get some cinematics of other people's cars. What's up, bro? What's your name?
Tien.
Tien? Nice to meet you, bro. Raymond. Got this dude on the freeway. He was cruising with us back to the ramp, like back to where we're at, and he kind of just followed us. Alright guys, so wrap for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. My camera's about to die. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please go down, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you guys like the fog lights. I actually had a little issue over here. The passenger fog light is not turning on. I think it should be a very small problem, very small fix, maybe just like a bad connection or something, but I'm gonna try to get that fixed as soon as possible. But let me know what you guys think about the yellow. If you look on the ground, it's pretty bright. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later. Alright, so I did get them fixed, guys. I did get the lights fixed. I'll let you guys take a look. What do you guys think? It's very bright. So if any of you guys are interested, I'll leave a link in the description below. You guys can cop some for yourselves. Let me know what you guys think. It adds a really nice touch to the car, in my opinion. In person, it looks way better than the camera. The camera does not do it justice at all. Like I said, I have plans for the headlights, so stay tuned, guys. You guys are gonna be in for a treat. The only thing about these lights is that it has a fan connected to the bulb. It might bother some of you guys, but if you guys can get over the fan blowing, the fan only activates when the bulb is hot. So when you guys turn off your car, you guys will hear that little motor blowing, so just keep that in mind. They do make ones without the fan blowing, but to me it wasn't really a big deal, so I just got the ones with the fan. I didn't really care. Before I let you guys go, I do have a request from you guys. So if you guys don't live in Minnesota, you might or might not know that we have snow here. Because of that, I cannot do car content. I can't do things outside, so let me know what you guys want to see on this channel and what kind of content that you guys want to see. I'm open to all ideas, so comment down below. Let me know what you guys want to see. So please help your boy out. I apologize if this video was short and scattered and kind of all over the place. When I did the fog lights that day, we kind of had other plans, going to the meet and doing all that stuff, so I kind of just implemented my project into that day. So I apologize if this video is all over the place, but thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.